Good evening, my people. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for promoting our video. We love you all. Remain blessed. Please, if today is your first day of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe. And please don't forget to drop comments and like. Love you all. Today's topic, we want to talk about Oligbese dem. People where they hold debt, they no wan pay. People where you go borrow something, give, not only money sef. You go borrow them something. At the end, nobody dey when they come borrow the thing, but they will come do am in a way where be like say, people will come hear. Or that is the matter will come outside. Tomorrow they go say the person na bad person. And na good you be do before, but he no come respect himself to come refund the thing at the initial time. People where they live fake life. People where want do say they get and they not get. All those kind of life, my brothers and my sisters, you know they pay. So if we be this kind of people, may we withdraw, may we stop. May we stop this kind of life, because this one at 2020, we need to focus. We need to focus for life. Because since we dey alive, we can make it. No matter what the condition we find ourselves, anything where they trouble us for life, we can make it this year. Only if we drop those fake life where we think say we dey live, when we think say they favor us, e no dey favor us. Fake life no dey favor us, e no dey do us good. Because when you dey live fake life, your helper go see you, but instead of am to help you, go say, see person when I wan even help, see person when I dey think say e no get, see person when I dey think say e no get, e even get pass me, so no need for me to help am. That person don lose the helper be that. And once you miss that first chance, before you go see the second chance, e dey hard for life. E take by his grace. Na make we grab our opportunity once and for all. May we stop all this fake life. May we face reality, because this life, we dey pray for helper. Nobody know e helper. Nobody know the day where e helper go locate am. So as we dey, if we be one of these people dey wey dey live fake life, where we dey live fake life, how you know the person no fit meet e helper. No be say na curse, no be say na swear. Na wetin him do himself. Na wetin him prove to the world. He say e get, and moreover e no get. Like this our sisters. One of our sister, I go drop the video now, go watch am. This our sister, he borrow person money. After everything, this girl, now you borrow money, you never pay. The person go call you, no dey pick call. Okay, now you consider fly first class plane. Now they carry first class. You borrow person money, you never pay. The person go call you, no dey pick again. Now you see go dey blab, they post for post for Instagram everywhere. Say you be big babe, all those kind of stuff. May we stop this kind of life. I beg my brothers and my sisters. Anybody wey know say they owe person, may try pay. If you borrow, no be say na barrier, no be curse. But try to pay. Make it be say the good way the person do for you, you appreciate am. May you no come take evil, take pay good way person do for person. Now make person dey beware from all these kind evil friends dem, because they call this kind of friends evil. No be only who keep person na be evil. I think you don't understand. Person go do good for you, go take bad, take pay am. E no good. E no good, Okay, assuming this our sister no come outside for social media, come talk now. No come outside for a page, come talk now. So this girl just put for mind before say e no go pay am im money, which is not good. I beg my brothers and my sisters, may we try to dey appreciate wetin person do for us, because if to say that our sister appreciate, e no go wait till this our sister go come outside talk am. You no go fit wait till our sister go come outside talk am out before him go say he wan pay am im money. And e no good. E no good. Make we carry all this fake life down. Make we face reality. I beg my sisters, my brothers and my sisters, If na watch this video, abeg. If the sister, that our sister wey bring this matter come outside for social media, e do bad, drop your comment. If na the person wey dey hold am, which is the Oligbese, the debtor, and no be only that one o, many dey hold am according to am o. If na the person wey dey hold am or the people wey dey hold am na im no do well, make we still drop our comment. We love you all. See you next. Remain blessed, okay? Mwah.
Guess what even got me angry? As we speak, she's abroad. And she posted on her social media platform, flying in a business class, going on shopping spree in a lot of big names. I don't want to mention names of those designers, taking pictures and flooding her timeline. And then I was wondering, how can you be owing me? But how are you owing me 1.6 million? April, you have not paid, yet you have the effrontery to use a business class. Even if it's somebody that is buying you that ticket, can't you tell that person that, okay, this business class, buy me economy, give me the change, I'm owing somebody? Why the fake? Why do we want to fake? Why do you want to fake when you don't have anything? Why do you want to, as in, even people that want to help you will think you have more money than them, meanwhile you have nothing. So I was so upset that day and I decided to post it on my platform. But the God that helped her is that because I don't like scandals, I didn't put her name. And she's not even the only one that's owing me, like I said earlier. So I just shook the table a little bit. But what that message did for me was that immediately I posted it, 3 hours later, she called me and she told me that she was very, very sorry. She was going to send 800,000 to my account the following morning, which she did. So the remaining 800,000 she has promised she will pay in 10 days. And in 10 days, this is already, we've spent 3 days out of the 10 days. So we're talking about next week, which is going to be in the next 7 days. And I have told her, I only shoot that table a bit. And people that know me, when I get angry, it's not nice. So I always try to keep it civil. In the next 7 days, if she doesn't pay me, because she can't, if she tries to do the thing she did the first time by telling me 10 days and now running into months, I've told her I don't have that patience anymore. My patience have run out. If she does not pay my money, the balance of 800,000 in the next 10 days, I'm going to mention her name. And this time around, I'm not going to type, because when you write message, sometimes it does not really gain grounds. I will do a video and mention her name. As a matter of fact, if you're owing me and you're watching this video right now, send my money to my account. Otherwise, in the next 10 days, even your name will be included. I don't care. There's no point keeping useless friends. There's no point keeping useless people that would put you in trouble. Imagine if I didn't have a fixed deposit to break. Do you know that my job friends,